Hi, this is Christian Zeppi Ibran from Section 1B. Okay, cellular respiration. A cellular respiration is a set of metabolic reaction and processes that takes place in the cell of organism. As you can see on my screen, that there is a bird, or like a living animals. Living animals have cells that carry out cellular respiration. During cellular respiration, organisms break down nutrients in order to produce energy in the form of ATP. Let's go back to my example, which is the bird. If we zoom off one of these bird cell, we can see that the mitochondria with a majority reaction involved in a cellular respiration occur. Let's zoom in a further on a mitochondria. Cellular respiration consists of four primary stages. These are glycolysis, the preparatory reaction, citric acid cycle, and the electron transport chain. The first stage of glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm outside of the mitochondria. During glycolysis, enzymes break down glucose into two molecules of pyruvate. In this process, the two ATP are producing and NADH is released to be used in a later step of cellular respiration. And for the second stage, which is the preparatory action, in this stage, the pyruvate of glycolysis move into the mitochondria, where they are converted into acetyl-CoA. During the conversion process, more NADH is produced than a carbon dioxide is released. Next is the stage 3. The citric acid cycle, the remaining carbons from the initial glucose are oxidized and releasing a carbon dioxide. NADH and FADH are also produced in addition of two ATP molecules. The most ATP production occurs in the fourth stage. The fourth stage is the electron transport chain, or ETC. During this stage, the NADH and FADH2 from the previous stage give up electrons to the chain. Energy is released and captured as the electron move from a higher energy to a lower energy state using a series of proteins embedded in the membranes of the mitochondria. Later, this energy will be used for the production of ATP. It's typical to 32 to 34 per initial glucose. If we add up all the ATP produced from just one glucose molecule, we can see that these reactions produce a total of 36 to. By the way, the ETC stands for electron transport chain, and for the NADH is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and hydrogen. For the FADH2 is flavin adenine dinucleotide. And that's all. Thank you.